As UC applications evolve, you need to ensure your headsets have the latest firmware to take advantage of new features and fixes, protecting your investment. Plantronics Manager Pro is a subscription-based software as a service that provides the tools to monitor and manage the update process across your entire headset inventory, regardless of user location. Let's take a look at how to update the firmware for Voyager 5200 UC to take advantage of the call quality and analytics reporting that the latest firmware update provides. From the Policy Hardware menu, select the default firmware policy for Voyager 5200 UC and ensure the status is set to Active. For the firmware update to take place as soon as possible, we will select the Automatic on Plantronics Hub Restart option from the deployment type. For the firmware version, we want to apply the latest version from Plantronics, so we select this option from the Version menu option. Let's test this update before rolling out company-wide. Select the testing group as a recipient. Now save, and the firmware update will be applied to all users in the testing group the next time they restart Plantronics Hub or their computer. After the testing period, Plantronics Manager Pro makes it easy to push this firmware update across the entire organization by simply changing the Deploy To option in the policy to all users.